We got 2021 RAV4 here. I'm gonna show you guys how to get a proper seal on the seat on these things. I'm taking a pick tool, I'm going behind the rubber, and I'm pulling away from the glass so I can actually get my film slid up behind that. Just give us a little room on it. And, we're using our gasket pro lint-free towel in the prepping process on this. Take this blue frog, we're gonna run up behind the rubber here on this and all the way down. This assures that we're able to slip our film up in behind that. A lot of folks don't make that extra move to do that, and these aren't the hardest to do. There's definitely easier ones. Nonetheless, and I'm putting the zip loader down here to open that up, and I flushed it out. So there's a couple of reasons I do that. I like to drop the film down low and off of the rubber so I'm not touching the actual film or the glue on it, and the film is not touching the seal up top. So it takes just a little finesse. And we'll drop this thing off in here. We immediately just go ahead and drop it down behind the rubber seal. Just like that. You can see how far we got it down. And we're moving all behind the seal now, so we're in the house. Yeah, I made these for PPF. This has a sledgehammer blade on it. But it's the ultimate for stuff like this. And they are on my site. They just have a dihydro blade in them because it's a universal blade. This is an extractor blade. And I'm just locking that in so I can go over on the back side and roll that piece of film up in there. But as I do this, I try to collect the water that's at the bottom as I'm going. I like to hold the film against the glass. Take this blue frog because it's a slick. Get that tip right up in there. Over here and push it down. Now if you make the pattern smaller, you can get it in here with a lot less work. That's it. Let me see that thing over in here. That way you're tucked all the way behind all the rubber, all the way up. Anyway, that's got it.